Hello, welcome back to Farmer's Wife Homestead. I'm Stacey if this is the first time we're meeting, and welcome back to my farmhouse kitchen, albeit a bit messy and untidy. I finally got home after being away for 3 weeks yesterday afternoon, and yeah, I've got a ton of things to catch up on. Not only videos, I've got so much work to catch up on. I have so much cleaning to do, and I need to just get, like, I've done a bit, I've done some of the floor and wiping down all the cupboards and things like that, and I've just got some stuff to sort of rezhuzh and that type of thing. So thank you so much for being understanding when I do go away. And I know it can be a little confusing sometimes when all of a sudden you see me in my daughter's kitchen, and yeah, but it's either do some videos away and in the kitchen or in her kitchen, or not have any videos at all. And we all know that the algorithm does not like us having a break. So anyway, so this is just a very quick video just to say, hey, I'm home. Thank you so much. I've been receiving emails with people worried about me because I was supposed to upload yesterday and nothing happened. But I spent all day traveling yesterday, and basically I'm fine. I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine. I had a family member that I needed to go and visit, and I needed to do that pretty much in a moment's notice. So I did that, spent some wonderful quality family time, and they live quite far away, and I also got to be what's the word I'm looking for, I also got to welcome another grandchild into the family. So I've also been enjoying some sweet baby moments, and as you know, I just love my grandbabies, so, and babies in general. That's just me. So as I said, I've just got home. There's no fresh fruit and vegetables, so I sort of felt I knew when round about when I was getting home. So I went and I organised a Wonky Box to be delivered, and that was delivered today, this morning in fact, and oh my goodness, so good. I haven't been able to have another Wonky Box since the very first one, so I'm very happy with this box, and I'll show you it shortly. But just a couple of thank yous. Just been to my PO box. I needed cat food. There was no cat food, so I whipped into town, grabbed some cat food and checked the PO box, and I had a beautiful gift there from a lovely viewer slash friend, and she's Aileen from the Crafty Haggis, and Crafty Haggis, you know, she's Scottish, and she sent me a lovely birthday present. So I finally, my birthday was at the end of April, so I finally got to get that, and I just wanted to show you what she's just absolutely spoiled me. And I will leave her Facebook linked below, because she also is the one that made up my welcome to our farmhouse sign, and she's made a glass for me, she's made my apron, she's just made so many goodies for me, and I'm so lucky. So she sent 2 little drinks coasters. It's got chickens and sunflowers. Of course, she knows me very well. This gorgeous little, it's just so soft. It's got a little clip and a little hand thing with these gorgeous little Scottish cows on it. So got that. This lovely little what do you call it, a jewelry box that she put my name on it, and this gorgeous little key ring. Actually, I'll take it out of the, so it's a key ring, and it's got a little spoon, a little stand mixer, a whisk, and a little measuring jug. I love that. So I'm going to swap over what I've got which is a preserving can opener thingy, and also this lovely little bracelet, and I'll take it out and then I'll read it to you. So thank you very much for sending me a lovely birthday gift. And it's this gorgeous little bracelet. Can you see? It's around the wrong way. Typical. So it's Scottish blessing. May your blessings outnumber the thistles that grow, and may trouble avoid ye wherever ye go. Tie this bracelet to your wrist as you do make a wish. When the bracelet breaks in two, legend says your wish will come true. So that's lovely. Thank you very much. And this amazing cool sign. Farmers Market fresh milk. I love it. So I'll hang that up somewhere in the kitchen as well. So thank you very much, Aileen. And as I said, she does have a Facebook page called The Crafty Haggis. So if you want to pop on and have a look at her stuff. Let's have a quick look at this Wonky Box. Hopefully I will film tomorrow. I'll see how I go. I do have a lot to catch up on. So fingers crossed I'll have a video up for you Sunday. And we might create some things with this Wonky Box for the next video for Sunday. Alright, so we've got some butter crunch lettuce, a couple of cabbages, a couple of collies. Hang on, I'm going to put the camera down. Might be easier. So yes, some beautiful butter crunch lettuce and baby leaf wild rocket of that. A couple of cabbages. We've got some kumara, some cucumber, carrots, broccoli, a butternut squash. So we've got 2 cabbages, which is awesome, 2 broccolis. I had baked broccoli for the first time a couple of days ago, and oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try it for so long, and it was so good. We've got quite a bit of kumara here, sweet potato, quite a lot of carrots, which is great, a nice big huge celery, so I'll probably freeze that. And we've got a daikon radish, which is awesome. I've never actually cooked with this, so I'm not sure if I'm going to pickle it or whether I'll cook with it. I'll have to do a little bit of research. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow capsicum, and there's 5 red onions and 4 I think they're beets. I'll have to check. I'll have to check what the list says, but they look like they're beetroot. I'll double check. So yeah, that's an awesome haul. So I've just grabbed my email out from them because I changed the box from a fruit and veggie box to just the plain veggie, which I think you get between 11, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 vegetables, different types of vegetables, and multiple of each. Yeah, so it is beetroot. I thought it looked like beetroot. Yeah, so I mean that's fantastic, and it's come just at the right time for me. So yeah, we will think about something, and we'll do, I don't know, a meal together or something. I've got to sit down and plan out some of my videos and things like that, and just get back into a routine. I mean, excuse me, I mean, I'm just in a trackie, and you know, I am who I am. So yeah, so bear with me. I will try and get out a video on Sunday. If not, the next one will be Wednesday. Oh, I have some exciting news too while I have you here. I got invited to Australasia's biggest creator conference, I guess you would call it, called New Zealand Creator Con, and I got invited to go to it, and it's sort of all the big content creators in New Zealand. So yeah, that was super exciting, and that's next week. So I'm a little bit nervous about it, and I get to stay at the beautiful Pullman Hotel in Auckland, and yeah, it's going to be really exciting to meet other people within this within the realm of, you know, YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and all those things that I don't really have much to do with, but it's just going to be really, really cool to get to know some other people. Yeah, so that's next week, so I'm really looking forward to that, and it's going to be super fun. And yeah, so I just thought I'd tell you that, because you may have seen it on my Instagram. And if you didn't know, I do have an Instagram, and I do post over there, and I'm going to try and get better at posting more day-to-day life and things like that. It's just trying to get my head around it and be good about it. So yeah, do follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because I will definitely be doing more day-to-day stuff over there. Right, I'm gonna call it at that, and hopefully I see you very shortly. And thanks so much for always being here, and for your lovely messages of concern, and for the beautiful birthday messages that I got and everything. It's just, yeah, it's been a busy 3 weeks. Alrighty, hope you're well, and thanks for always being so wonderful to me. And thanks again, Aileen. And I also got a lovely letter in the mail at the same time from Sharon, so I'll just go and read that now. Alright, thank you, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.